Hey y'all, I just want to take a minute of your time to show you these custom fit seat covers in this Jeep Wrangler. Here we went with all black, gray piping, gray diamond stitching. Also went with the same design in the rear. Let me show you guys this. When you order our seat covers, they all come with a detailed rendering for you to approve before your covers go into production. We have many styles and colors available. You can go right to our website, go to our vehicle selector, select your year, make, and model, choose your colors, and you will receive your covers in about 2 weeks. All of our information will be in the description. And to answer your question, yes, our covers do work with airbags. Also, they come perforated so they can work with heated and cool seats. Also, the perforation will make things more breathable in the summertime so your seats won't get so hot. You can get these covers any way you want them. If you can dream it, we can make it.